Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a relaxing clean with me. Today's video is in collaboration with The Joyful Life. My boys are back into school, and before I have to go pick up Noah, I've got about 2 hours or less actually to be picking up the house, and I'm going to make it very relaxing. It's a little gloomy outside, so I think today is the perfect day to light a candle, have some hot coffee, and just get some cleaning done. So let's get started. You ready to get started? Are you ready to get started? Needy girl. Okay, I gotta go clean. I have to go clean. Love you. Want a treat? Want a treat? That's Ruby for you. Let's get started. Okay friends, here we go. I'm gonna start with a cup of coffee, and I'm gonna use my yummy almond milk creamer, and I absolutely love this. If you guys are trying to do dairy free, I would highly recommend it. It's really tasty, and honestly, I don't miss dairy in my morning coffee at all. So now I'm going to start cleaning the morning dishes. I'm not going to speed up this video very much because I want you guys to just go throughout your cleaning with me and let this be relaxing yet motivating for you. So I'm just going to take care of the breakfast dishes this morning, and that's going to be where I start off with my cleaning. I'm going to get ready to spray my Mrs. Meyer's, but first my sweet pumpkin souffle candle. You guys, I got this. I actually won it on Instagram, and I have quickly fallen in love with the scents. I'm going to leave her information down below. She makes her own candles. She pours them all. It's all soy and essential oils. Absolutely amazing. And she is from Tennessee, so you guys know I love my Tennessee people. When I'm done using this cloth, I will hang it up right here in my kitchen sink. You see I have these little command hooks there, and it's just perfect because I'm going to use the same cloth all day. Close your eyes. Now I'm going to clean up any of the toys and the blankets and pillows that have gotten left out from this morning. Just going to tidy up the living room. I like to get it back in its original state every single day. It's something that just makes me happy, and I love the way the living room looks when it's all clean.
Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now.
Now I need to put away some of the items that I had laid out here. I did a deep clean in my boys' bedroom. That will be up on Sunday, so keep a lookout for that. And I mean deep clean in both of the boys' rooms. So it'll definitely give you some good deep cleaning motivation.
Round, round, and I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
So when I start doing some sort of cleaning, I always search for a little bit of motivation, or I kind of want to set the mood. Like I set the mood earlier by lighting a candle or turning on my Scentsy, maybe putting a YouTube video on, hopefully this one, or reading a book. I am reading Present over Perfect, and I'm really enjoying it. If you guys want to know the list of books I've been reading, I can definitely do a video on that, or just let you guys know. I'd be happy to. So I really want to encourage you guys, if you want that motivation and you're wondering where it's at, especially when you need it, create a playlist, read a book, and the more you do whatever you're wanting to do, whatever you're wanting to achieve, say do a deep cleaning, feel motivated to clean, put things away, whatever the case may be, your brain will recognize whenever you play that playlist or read that book or whatever you do, or light the candle or set the mood, your brain will recognize what you're doing and it will put you into gear to do those things. It's a fun little trick that I have taught myself and that I have actually heard other motivational speakers discuss as well.
Now, the world is spinning round, round, and I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round. Oh, I want you now, now. My world is spinning round, round, and I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot undo it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting, but can't we just hold up? Maybe stay up, try to make things right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything.
Here I'm just organizing my husband's drawer. I'm going to also be doing a video on how I do that, a KonMari method, just getting rid of everything we don't need. He actually threw away his birthday gift cards, 2 $50 gift cards, and he threw them away on accident, so I've been tearing the room up trying to find them, and in the meantime I've just been cleaning his stuff out.
No point of blaming, it's so draining, wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did.
apologize for any dark spots in my house, just depending on where the sun is at this part of the day. Sometimes it'll definitely get dark and my camera doesn't pick up very well, but I am definitely trying. You can see it'll get darker and lighter. So when I started doing this cleaning, I realized that it is time to do a deep clean, like baseboard, air vent type of cleaning. So I will find time to make that happen very soon. Like I had mentioned, I did a deep cleaning in my boys' room, but I think I need to do one and have one up every single week. I mean, honestly, how many cleaning videos is too many in 1 week? You guys let me know. What are you guys liking to see? Do you want to see my cleaning videos? Do you want to see cook and clean with me's, recipes? Do you like vlogs? Someone said they liked vlogs. That made me very happy. Do you guys want get to know me's? I have all kinds of stuff, so just let me know what you guys want.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay.
You guys can see my little cutie pie is home from preschool. I did have to stop earlier to go pick him up, but that's real life. I love to be able to clean and just go straight through it, but sometimes you gotta stop, and that's okay. But it's just important to pick up where you left off and make a promise to yourself that that's what you're gonna do. One thing I've seen recently that's really encouraged me and motivated me, and maybe will hopefully do the same for you, is never, ever break a promise to yourself.
One more night, I'll be...
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was relaxing yet encouraging and motivating to you. It's just a little bit of cleaning that needed to get done, especially while I had some alone time. It was really nice. I think these 3 hours I'm going to get every single day are really going to be good for my soul. So if you guys are new to my channel from This Joyful Life, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join me on this journey. And all of my sweet friends, you guys make sure you go check out her channel as well. You guys are going to love it. All of her information will be in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!